Good morning everyone, Newborn Investor here and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully we get some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. But before we get into today's video, if you really appreciate what I do here, show me some support by hitting the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Pre-market both SPY and QQQ trading above yesterday's closing price. The trend is not evident as of now. It was on an uptrend, downtrend, uptrend, downtrend, and now it's curling back up. So I'm not sure how the markets are going to play out today. But going into market open, as usual, I'll be watching Nvidia, Amazon, and Tesla. My primary watch for today would be Tesla, as Tesla is trading below yesterday's closing price. Bearish on it. We do have around 2 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open. Watching Amazon and Tesla. I think Tesla is going to continue sell off. Amazon heading down. $27.40, I got in. I do have other levels identified. $24.95. I didn't get it. Yep. Got out. Yep, I'm out. $379. That was a great trade. I'll repeat this again. Yep, $25.90 I'm in. Now just holding one. Yep, I'm out. 2 trades in under 5 minutes, $473. No reasons to complain. Watching carefully. Yep, it's breaking out. $23.30 is my order. I didn't get it. Bummer there. Canceling for now. And I got it. It would have been a decent trade. $23.70 was a low. I didn't get it. It is what it is. Now, I'll not take on this candle. I'll wait because I think it has the potential to break out again. See how it bounced off this level of support. It's struggling to go up. We'll give it some more time. It's definitely going to break out. See how it faked out and reclaimed. I think finally it's going to happen. If it breaks out, then it's going to be huge. Around 1 minute for this candle to close. Yep, now it's breaking out. See how it's going. Yep, I'm out. Now I'll try to repeat it. Watching Tesla for a fourth trade. I think it has the potential. It did exactly as I anticipated, a breakout. It was a huge breakout. Now I'll keep watching. So 25 minutes into the day, 3 trades so far. We'll keep watching Tesla for a fourth trade. If not, I'll call it a day. But right now, I'll go ahead and pause. $26.90. Placing an order. Yep, I'm in. That's good. Now just holding one. That was a perfect trade. That puts me around $923 on the day. I'll take it. I think it's a good time to call the day off. I don't want to overtrade and give back my profits. So happy with how I traded today. I was on point and looks like the market is back. That being said, I'll wrap it up for today. Overall, a decent day of trading, 4 trades, 4 winners, over $900 in around 30 minutes, but no reasons to complain. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent basics and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.